Let's learn the four meanings of take off. First, take off can mean to remove something like a piece of clothing. For example, she took off her coat when she entered the room. Second, take off can mean to spend time away from work. For example, he usually takes a week off from work to go on a vacation with his family. Third, take off can mean to start to become successful. For example, after their marketing campaign, the sales of the companies have really taken off. Fourth, take off can mean to suddenly leave somewhere. For example, she had already taken off from the party when the cake was cut. Okay, bye. Follow for more.